so sagittal section here, you can see we've got two separate sagittal sections I'm going to talk through. Right, first thing to do is to orientate ourselves, look at the brainstem there, so you can see medulla oblongata, pons, and then mesencephalon, which then attaches into thalamus there, which you can see. Also tied into the sagittal section is the limbic system. So we'll talk about the circle of Pepet's and the limbic system in a separate video. Just be aware that a lot of this is focused around the limbic system. Okay, so let's look at some of the anatomical features. So to begin with, you've got thalamus, or the dorsal thalamus. Okay, so this is a relay station for basically all of the sensory information of the brain. So it comes in via the cerebral peduncles into thalamus, which then spreads out the message to various parts of the cortex, and it then receives messages back from those various parts of the cortex as well. So the primary job of thalamus is as a relay station, effectively. You've then got hypothalamus, which just sits below it. You can't actually see it, it's not kind of something visible, you just need to know where it is. And hypothalamus just sits there. You've also got posterior to all this, you've got the pineal glands, not something again that you can see, but be aware that that's where the pineal gland sits. Other thalamic structures, you've got the epithalamus and another thalamic structure whose name I have totally forgotten, but just know that again there are 4 thalamic structures, the names of which are hypothalamus, epithalamus, thalamus, and one other which I can't remember. Okay, so then you can see this big white thing here. This is corpus callosum. So this is one of the primary mechanisms of neural differentiation that you have within the brain. So it's white fibers, so they're myelinated axons that are passing information between the 2 hemispheres. There are 4 parts of this. You have got the, get these the right way around, yeah, you've got the rostrum, you've got the genu, you've got the body, you've got the splenum, and sometimes included in there, you've got this, just call it the splenum. So you've got the rostrum, the genu, the body, and the splenum within there. Okay, so those are the parts of the corpus callosum. Other white fibers in here, and there's a separate question about white fibers that we need to know about. You've got the anterior connoisseur. So this is the anterior connecting thing between the corpus callosum and the fornix. So the fornix, which you can't see here, is being cut out, but you can see it a little bit better here maybe. So the fornix is basically responsible for carrying information from, again, between the 2 hemispheres, but also passing information from the corpus callosum via the anterior connoisseur into the fornix and then into the posterior connoisseur. And the posterior connoisseur runs around here and joins up with the back of the corpus callosum. So these white fibers then, so you've got the corpus callosum, anterior connoisseur, fornix, and posterior connoisseur. Anterior connector, posterior connector, and the fornix. And they form this kind of loop of white fibers that all connect to one another. Okay? So it's important to remember. You can then see here as well, it's clearer here, the second or lateral ventricle. So normally in a properly dissected brain, there is a septum here, known as septum pellucid. And this is responsible for holding in the cerebrospinal fluid of the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle. This is the anterior horn of the lateral ventricle that you can see. And you can see it a little bit here as well. Just underneath that is the lateral ventricle. You can also see the lateral to the lateral ventricle is the caudate nucleus. So this is one of the nuclei of the telencephalon. We're going to talk about the nuclei of the telencephalon in a minute, but just know that the lateral wall of the lateral ventricle is formed by the caudate nucleus. It's a question that often comes up. That division is caused by stria terminalis. So if you ask the question, what forms the lateral wall of the lateral ventricle, the answer is caudate nucleus, and it's separated by stria terminalis. Okay? So we've covered the white fibers then, and we've covered the thalamic structures. Other things to be aware of are the cingulate gyrus, which runs along there. You've also got the uncus, which sits underneath here. So there's the uncus. And you've got gyrus parahippocampi, which is back around here, underneath the brainstem. And that sits around the hippocampus, which is why it's called gyrus parahippocampi. Yeah, that I think is it.